Hello students. This slide we're going to go ahead and solve for the kind bars box. The kind bars box. So we're going to go ahead and start with our formula. Volume equals length times width times height. So the length of my box of my kind bars box was 6 times my width, which is 2.5, times my height, 10. Again, we want to make sure we convert our numbers so that they are decimals, and because this is a half, it's much easier to convert. 6 2.5, because 1/2 is 50, like 50 cents, and 10. All right. Now I just get my calculator and I multiply these numbers here. 6 times 2.5 times 10 equals 150. So my volume equals 150. And we're going to go ahead and talk about cube. And actually, we're talking about inches. Sorry, it is inches. We are working with inches cubed. So that kind bar box, the kind bars, was 150 inches cubed. Excellent.
Okay, students, so in closing, we learned some real life math. We learned that the volume of the Cheerios box, we learned what that was, and we also learned what the volume of the brownies box was, as well as the volume of the kind box. So basically, what I think is it's important that you guys understand why we do this. It's because this particular box of kind bars, it can only hold so much of the volume in there. And we know sometimes that they individually pack things, but in this case, when we do have the volume, we know how much we could fit in there. Now, what's going to be interesting is I'm going to ask you guys, if I have a volume and only so much of that fits into this box, how many of these boxes are we able to fit in a larger box? That's going to be for another lesson. But for now, we just did a real life example of math. Thanks, students.